right there. Look at that. Look at God. Hey, that's a halo. I'm looking like some American gods. I'm American God. Recently bought a fossil watch a few days ago. This actually, today Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. But I'll probably gonna post this video later. Oh well. So we're gonna go straight to the video. I like this box, so we're gonna go look at this box real quick. Look at that. Look. All the nice drawings inside. A lot of people say fossil watches are fashion watches. Yes, they are. But I wanted a steel watch with a black face. So I could, so basically I just got what I could afford, which is a fossil watch, and I've been following this watch for a while. And yeah, so we're gonna get back into it. So, as you see right here, we're gonna look at the box. Okay, fossil. It came with a, you're gonna love fossil card inside, and then I guess some return stickers and things like that, which I like. I bought a lot of watches, and depending on how much y'all like this video, I'll post more unboxing videos and give y'all a tour of my watch collection. I not only have fossil watches. So here we go. Right here, bam, wham. So this is a steel watch. Has a lot of stickers and stuff on it. Let's see. Also, I had got my name engraved in the back. In the back, you know what I'm saying? What y'all know about that? So, I'm gonna go ahead and try the watch on. Remove the stickers. Ooh, that's how you know it's real. You gotta unwrap that thing. Yeah. Let's see. It came with a sticker. It says the retail price for $149. I got it online for $60. And I wanted something different because you can't wear gold all the time. You can't wear gold all the time. And you know what I forgot to do? I'm so excited. This is my first video. You gotta excuse me. This is my first video. We're gonna do a wristwatch check real quick. Right now, I'm wearing a Seiko 5 watch. What y'all know about them Seikos? What y'all know about them Seikos? You know what I'm saying? Another affordable watch. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and move the sticker in the back. And also, I want y'all to let me know how I'm doing on this video. Give me some critique. Let me know how I'm doing. Kind of nervous, but I'm really not. Really not. I'm just really fucking around real quick. So, if y'all can see my name in the back, it's right here. And yeah, so I'm actually try this watch on real quick and see how it looks on me, you know. And it also, it's a it has a date on the watch too, as y'all can see right here. Bam. So we got the watch. I probably have to not take a link out, but yeah, I'll probably take a link out and adjust it. But here you go, right here. What's up with you? You know what I'm saying? Hit that. You see a little shawty, you be like, what's up? That's a nice watch. Yeah, little gift I gave to myself for Valentine's Day, you know, 2021. You know, just a little something slight, some little slight. But back to some real shit. We're gonna actually look at the case, the little box. You know, I actually do love my fossil boxes. I had another fossil watch, which y'all gonna see in another video. I'm gonna do it. Probably not because I'm lazy, but I do enjoy the aluminum boxes that that the watches come in, because they actually do a nice job on the watch itself. I do have a nice little watch I want to box. I want to actually show this. I wore it, but we're just gonna do an unboxing video anyway, because why not? But I'm enough rambling on about anything. A little bit about myself. My name is Dustin, and I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of videos real soon. So watch out for me. And I'm not even making no eye contact. I ain't even making no eye contact. But hey, oh well, it's my first video. So yeah, holla at your boy. See you looking. You better like and comment and subscribe.